I'm sorry if I sound like really weird or different. Maybe not really, but yeah. Um, I think I might be getting sick because the weather keeps on changing. Like yesterday it was really hot and now today it was like really cold. And it didn't help that last night, I mean, I guess technically yesterday was really cold and the day before was really hot because it's like almost 4 a.m. right now. But like last night my heater randomly stopped working for like also is working at the same time. Basically it'll randomly turn off if it's on the heater mode. I don't know about the fan mode. And I didn't notice it because I had my fan on for a while because it did get to start being kind of warm. So I turned my thing on. Um, yeah, 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 so, yeah. Anyway, I think someone requested me to do this. See, it just turned off again. Which just means I'm gonna have to be extra careful. Because this was requested to be spicy. So. I don't have the request because I can't remember how long ago this was. And it seems like I don't really remember. But from what I do remember, it's basically a Vance ex-listener, very spicy, and the listener is a boy. My fucking throat just gurgled. What the fuck? Okay. So I'm drinking juice as well because my throat has been like dry and it's kind of hard to breathe. So maybe I shouldn't do this. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. If I don't. Sorry, I'm just thinking of ideas. So you and Vance are like dating, cause wait, yeah, you guys are dating. Um, I usually do the exact same ideas. I need to think of different ideas. What the fuck? Is my brother awake? What now? Sorry. You. Fuck. I'm so bad at this. Oh, fuck. Sorry. I'm getting distracted. This book I'm looking at right now is a dark romance book. What the fuck? Oh. Whoa. Why is that the first trigger warning? What the fuck? Why is that the first? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. But what does that mean? Invasion of privacy. What does that mean? Okay. Sorry, I got distracted. I was hoping that book would maybe give me ideas, but no, it didn't. Um. Oh fuck! I'm so bad at thinking of ideas. Okay. Can my heater turn back on so I don't feel as awkward? Okay, screw you too, Van. Oh, I get off. um. I'll turn it back on. It's usually off for a while and then turns back on, but only for like a short time, maybe like 30 seconds. Maybe longer, who knows. But okay, so yeah, you guys are dating, and you guys are at his place, and okay, guys are watching a movie, and it's like real spicy, and let's say that you guys had never done it before, let alone with a guy, because you guys are like young, obviously. Well, okay, I don't know, I guess. But let's say that neither of you had been in a relationship before the present. So, yeah. So, since you guys are watching it, oh, you know what? You guys could be watching Sex Education. I love that show. That is such a good show. I haven't finished watching it. I need to finish watching it. That reminds me, I need to also finish watching Chucky, like the TV show that somehow barely anyone knows about. Which I do find kind of funny how there's a line in there that became a bed. Oh my god. Shit, bro. I feel like I was gonna throw up for a second. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. Shit. How has it already been 8 minutes? Okay. So, you guys are dating, you guys are watching a spicy movie. And so you guys have like a blanket over you guys, right? And you notice, you look over a Vance and you notice that he doesn't really look comfortable, so you automatically think that he doesn't like the show or movie or whatever. You can pick what movie it is, but spy. I'm gonna shut up. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not gonna shut up because this very person that requested this literally told me that me talking a lot actually helps their ADHD, and I was like, whoa, someone that doesn't find it annoying. Because most people find me talking too much annoying. I think they do at least. So, yeah. Huh? Why would you think I was uncomfortable? Oh, no, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Promise, I'm fine. That's just because I'm not gonna tell you. Yeah. It's just comfortable, okay? So, you already know he's lying to you. Oh yeah, I just decided that this is gonna be inspired by, oh, what's the channel name? I forgot. I just know that their name is Alex. But they also did black friend content. I think mostly Robin though. And sometimes Vance, but mostly that. And then they started doing creepypasta stuff. And then I don't know, like, they stopped posting for like, I think it was either a year or two they stopped posting. Yeah, if you know who I'm talking about, then yeah. So, yeah, so anyway. So, I keep saying the word so, it's weird. Oh, you might be awake. Wait, what the fuck just came out of my mouth? It's not even a word. Okay, whatever. So, you get closer to him, cause yeah, and out of nowhere, you get on top of him and you kind of like startle him. I don't know if you can tell what I said. If you can tell what I said, just tell me and I'll tell you what I said. But you have to do the timestamp thing, otherwise I'm gonna have no idea. Maybe you don't, because I probably wouldn't know what I even said. Okay. So yeah, you do that. And he's like, what the fuck? Whoa, listener. What are you doing? Oh yeah, I know. It's real, and it is. So, he realized that since how you are, how your position onto him, he realized you could get this, you know. Sorry, I sound really awful saying this because my heater isn't on, and I don't like it because it's so quiet. It's really annoying. You know what? Hold on. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. The front is different. I was gonna like get some music on my old phone that I still have as like a backup. Because yeah. Anyway. So what was I saying? I need Okay, so do that. What? So, he realized that, and he got really red. I don't know why I whispered that so close to my brain. That's weird. So you kiss him. Okay, so yeah, you could, ow, my eye. So, you guys, you two kiss for like a while, and, after a bit, you decide to, move a little, and, yeah, yeah. Oh, fuck. Listen up. Okay. I'll turn it off again. It's really annoying. You know what? I might maybe end it here. Yeah. So, I'm sorry if this was kind of bad, and I'm sorry if me talking like how I am was annoying and whatever. And I know I was coughing a lot too. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry that I couldn't put that request up on the screen, but I will ask them because I remember who it was.